On extremely hot days, I don't need a kitchen thermometer. I just need to look at my starter. I'm actually surprised. I fed my starter in the morning before I stepped out, and it's barely 4 hours. And I can already see how my starter has almost started to hit the hit the roof of the cover, and it's about to pour out. That's how hot it is today. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Shin. Stay with me as I mix my dough and I bulk ferment through this heat. Two things affect how I bulk ferment my sourdough: the weather and my schedule. I wish I knew that bulk ferment is not a one-size-fits-all, meaning I can follow a recipe, but if my weather or schedule is different, my baked bread would be slightly different or a complete miss, because I'll either be overproofing or underproofing. It is the first proofing after mixing the dough. It can be done without stretches and folds, but stretches and folds can't be done without it. I start my bulk ferment immediately after mixing the dough. So while my dough is resting for 40 minutes, it is also proofing and getting good hydration. Adding slaps and folds while bulk fermenting is to make my dough elastic and strong, which is very important when we get to shaping, especially if you're using all-purpose flour like me. I remember when I first started making sourdough bread, I would watch sourdough bakers online and wonder how they shape their sourdough bread without it tearing apart. The answer lies in proper bulk fermenting. The weather is very hot today, 36 degrees Celsius. The month of March is extremely hot in Nigeria. It gets as high as 40 degrees in some areas. In high weather temperature, I reduce my bulk time. I'm doing only 15 minutes rest time in between each set. In my next video, I'll show you the steps I take in shaping my sourdough bread before placing in the fridge.